You were sold a lie. Since you were a child, society handed you a very specific set of instructions. Go to school, get a safe job, save 10% of your paycheck in a bank account, buy a house, and eventually, when you are 65 years old and your body's exhausted, you can finally retire and be free. For our parents, that code actually worked. But in 2026, that code is completely broken. We are living in an era of silent economic warfare. Inflation is quietly melting your savings. Housing prices have decoupled from reality. The middle class is being systematically deleted. And yet, people are still trying to run a 1990s financial strategy in a 2026 economy. It is like trying to run modern AI software on a Windows 95 computer. The system simply crashes. My name is Zishan. I'm the founder of the Wealth Operating System. I did not start this channel to give you generic advice on how to skip your morning coffee or how to clip digital coupons. You cannot budget your way to millions. I started this channel because wealth is not a motivation problem. It is an engineering problem. Today, we're going to tear down the old system. I'm going to show you the exact architecture of how the top 1% actually accumulate assets. And then, I'm going to hand you the complete end-to-end blueprint to engineer your own financial freedom. This is the Wealth Operating System Manifesto. Get a pen. Turn off everything else. It is time to write new code. If you want to debug your financial life, you first have to understand what mode your brain is currently operating in. In the modern economy, there are only 3 types of financial operating modes. Mode 1 is the consumer. This is where 80% of the population lives. The consumer views money as a tool for immediate gratification. When the consumer gets a raise at work, their brain immediately asks, "What can I buy with this?" They upgrade their car. They move into a luxury apartment. They finance a lifestyle they cannot afford using high-interest credit cards. The consumer's entire life is based on monthly recurring payments. They look rich on Instagram, but their net worth is mathematically zero. They are one missed paycheck away from total collapse. Mode 2 is the gambler. This is where most young people are trapped today. The gambler realizes the traditional system is broken. They know that a basic salary won't buy a house anymore, so they panic. They look for shortcuts. They trade volatile crypto coins. They buy risky options contracts. They chase viral e-commerce trends. The gambler treats the stock market like a casino. Sometimes they win big, but because their foundation is based on emotion and hype, they inevitably lose it all. Mode 3 is the architect. This is the top 1%. This is who you are going to become. The architect does not view money as a tool to buy things. The architect views money as raw compute power. It is a resource used to build machines that generate more resources. The architect removes all emotion from money. They do not care about looking rich. They care about being wealthy. They understand that wealth is simply math, discipline, and time. At the Wealth Operating System, we do not consume, and we do not gamble. We engineer, we build, we compile code. Let's look at the foundational math of why you feel stuck. If you have a standard job, your income is directly tied to your time. You trade 1 hour of your life, and the company hands you $30. But there's a fatal flaw in this equation. Time is a finite resource. You only have 24 hours in a day. You have to sleep, you have to eat, and you have to commute, which means your income has a hard mathematical ceiling. No matter how hard you work, you can never scale your income past the physical limits of your body. If your income is tied to your time, you will never be wealthy. The primary goal of the Wealth Operating System is a concept called time decoupling. We must detach your ability to earn money from the physical hours you are awake. You must build a machine that makes money while you are sleeping, while you are eating, and while you are spending time with your family. How do we do that? By acquiring assets. An asset is anything that puts money into your pocket without requiring your constant physical presence. It can be a digital business. It can be a piece of commercial real estate. or it can be a portfolio of dividend-paying index funds. The wealthy do not work for money. The wealthy work to acquire assets, and the assets work to generate the money. So how do we actually build this? How do we take someone starting with $0 in 2026 and turn them into an architect? We use a strict three-tier protocol. This is the exact code you must run in your own life. Do not skip a step. Do not rearrange the order. Tier 1, the Liquidity Shield, defense. You cannot build a skyscraper on a swamp. Before you try to get rich, you must become unbreakable. The modern economy is volatile. Layoffs happen. Recessions happen. If you have zero cash reserves, a sudden emergency will force you to borrow money at 25% interest, completely destroying your future. Your first protocol is to build the shield. You must accumulate 3 to 6 months of basic living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This is not investment money. This money is not supposed to make you rich. This money is your psychological armor. When you have $15,000 sitting in cash, you stop operating out of fear. You don't tolerate a toxic boss. You don't panic when the stock market drops. You think clearly, logically, and strategically. Build the shield first. Tier 2, the Cash Flow Accelerator, offense. Once you are protected, we need to speed up the math. You cannot get rich saving $50 a month from your day job. It takes too long. We need to massively increase your cash flow. But remember, we don't want to trade more time for money. We want leverage. This is where you build a high-leverage digital skill. In 2026, the internet is desperate for problem solvers. We teach strategies like B2B service arbitrage. You find a traditional business owner, a plumber, a dentist, a real estate agent who is struggling to get clients online. You sell them a marketing package for $1,000, but instead of doing the work yourself, you hire a skilled freelancer overseas for $400. You keep the $600 difference. You acted as the router. You engineered the transaction. This is how you generate an extra $3,000 to $5,000 a month in surplus cash flow. This is your accelerator. But listen to me carefully. This is where most people fail. When they start making an extra $5,000 a month, the consumer bug infects their brain. They go buy a luxury watch or a new sports car. Not you. You are an architect. You take that surplus cash flow from Tier 2 and you immediately inject it into Tier 3. This is the ultimate destination. This is where financial freedom is officially minted. You take the heavy cash flow generated by your day job and your accelerator, and you deploy it into the stock market. You do not pick individual stocks. You do not try to find the next Apple or Tesla. You buy low-cost S&P 500 index funds. You buy a fractional piece of the 500 largest, most ruthless, most profitable corporations on planet Earth. When you own an S&P 500 index fund, you literally have millions of the smartest employees in the world waking up every single morning, going to the office, and working tirelessly to make you richer. And you capture the ultimate mathematical phenomenon, compound interest. Let me show you the raw power of the engine. If you use your accelerator to generate an extra $2,000 a month, and you deploy that into an index fund returning an average of 9% a year, after 10 years, you will have roughly $380,000. After 20 years, you will have roughly $1.3 million. And after 30 years, you will have over $3.6 million. You contributed a fraction of that money. The rest was generated entirely by the machine. Your money made money, and then that new money made more money. This is the code. Shield your downside, accelerate your cash flow, compound your assets. Now, I need you to prepare you for the hardest part of this journey. The math is easy. The psychology is brutal. Sometime in the next few years, the stock market is going to crash. It might drop 20%, it might drop 40%. The news media will scream that the world is ending. The gamblers will panic. The consumers will say, "This is why I never invest." But you will run the architect protocol. When the market drops by 30%, the companies inside the market do not suddenly forget how to make money. Amazon is still delivering packages. Microsoft is still selling software. Apple is still selling phones. A market crash is simply human emotion temporarily driving the price of great assets down. To an architect, a market crash is not a tragedy. It is a clearance sale. It is a mathematical discount. Because you built your liquidity shield in Tier 1, you do not need to sell your stocks to pay your rent. You are safe. You sit back, you smile, and you let your automated system buy massive amounts of shares at a 30% discount. When the market inevitably recovers, which historically it has done 100% of the time, you don't just recover your wealth, you multiply it. You must separate the noise from the numbers. The news sells fear. The Wealth OS executes logic. We are living in the greatest era of wealth transfer in human history. The tools to build millions of dollars have never been more accessible. You have supercomputers in your pocket. You have AI to help you build digital businesses. You have zero commission brokerages to buy global assets. The only variable holding you back is your operating system. You can close this video, go back to scrolling on social media, and continue to let the subscription economy drain your life. You can keep trading your precious time for a currency that loses value every single day. You can remain a consumer. Or you can make a decision right now. You can choose to step out of the matrix. You can choose to treat your money with cold, hard logic. You can build the shield, launch the accelerator, and start your compound engine. This channel is your manual. I am here to give you the code, the math, and the exact blueprints to build a life of absolute freedom. But I cannot push the button for you. You have to execute the protocol. If you are ready to stop winging it and start engineering your wealth, hit the subscribe button right now. Welcome to the Wealth Operating System. I want you to leave a comment below with one word: architect. Let me know that you have made the decision to change your code today. Trust the math, execute the protocol, and I will see you in the next update.